What's up guys, how you doing? Well, I hope. We are about to get into some stuff. You're not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Let me start from the beginning. Calm down. Start from the beginning. Got an email from my friends at Sephora. You heard right. The holy land of beauty, okay? Got an email from my friends at Sephora and they were like, hey Kelly, we have a whole bunch of holiday stuff coming out. Would you like to check some of it out? I go, yeah, I want to check out all the things. So I made a crazy list. Like, they sent me this, I don't know, chart of the entire store. I made a crazy list. I was like, yeah, I'll check out any of this, thinking, you know, they'll send a thing or two. When I tell you there are 2 huge boxes, your girl is shook. There are 2 big boxes full of stuff. How big can beauty stuff be? So like, what's in this box? I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna open the boxes. We're gonna do it together and it's about to get lit. Oh yeah, by the way, your girl has new hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that already. New hair. I got a crochet style. My sister did it. When I tell you she's a hair witch, when I tell you, she can watch any YouTube video. Watch 1, 2, check out the best techniques, and she can literally do any hairstyle. It's so crazy. She's not a hairstylist. She works in education, but the girl's gifted. I like it. I hope you guys like it. She's cute. She's fluffy and free. But anyway, got my scissors. Handy dandy, let's get into the box. Okay, this is the smaller of the 2 boxes. As you can see, it's not that small a box. We're gonna we're going to open her up together. I promise I can speak English. Promise. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back from Boston and Philly. Had a good time. Did you watch the weekly vlog? Hope you did. Gotta get into this box. Ooh, okay. First things first. Wow, this is cute, okay. Let's see. It's feeling a lot like Christmas. Thank you, Sephora, for being my Santa daddy. Okay, this is called Detective Game from Drunk Elephant. I love their skincare products. Have you guys tried any of them? They're super good. Inspector Drunk. This is cute. Night kit. What's in here? Oh, there's playing cards. There's a magnifying glass. Okay, like this is an actual game. How cute is this? It's basically like, who messed up your skin? We're gonna solve your problems and keep it moving. Okay, so in here we have TLC. It's the Famboost Glycolic Night Serum, and it looks like this. And we also have the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. You know how much a girl loves a hydration serum. Also have C Tango Eye Cream. Looks like this. The whipped cream. We love that. Last thing in this particular kit is, the jelly cleanser. I heard about this and I'm glad these are in travel size because that makes it super easy when you're traveling. Jelly cream looks like this. Item number 1, very exciting. This is gonna be a bit of a long unboxing, so I hope you are down for the ride. I wasn't exaggerating when I said biggest beauty haul of all time. I mean, find me a bigger haul. There might be. I'm lying. Like, who knows? Because someone might have gotten like the entire holiday collection. I don't know. But this is a lot. Okay, so this is from Ole Henriksen and it is the Glow Brightly kit. And this is great because, let's see what's in here. Actually, I think I will not rip this open. So we have Truth Serum, we have the Sea Rush Brightening Cream Gel, we have Good Night Glow, and then the Bright Eye Cream. So all of these products are in the kits. That's bomb. Ooh, 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 ooh. So excited. This is from Lily Lashes. I really wanted to try this because all of the beauty gurus, you know, we're not a beauty guru here. We're just a girl, you know, doing our thing. But all the beauty gurus, I feel like they use Lily lashes. These are flippin' gorgeous. Wow, they're so fluttery and like natural looking. Not natural because like who can look this good? I mean, there might be someone, I don't know who, but they're dramatic, but they're not, I don't know, I don't like when they're super thick and curled really deeply up. They're a bit, you know, not for your girl, let's just say that. This is oh, Sephora Moon Phases. Wait, is this highlighter? What is this? Let's get into this. Moon Phases palette. This year is all about Moon Phases, a perfect face palette consisting of blush duos and highlighters in matte, metallic, and pearl finishes. Heck to the yes. We're gonna open her up because we have to see, right? Like, who's gonna just be like Moon Phases and not like swatch? We gotta see what's in the box. Try not to destroy the box, but that's not working out well. Whoops. Here we go. Wow. Oh, I like this blue. You guys see this blue? Like, I legit want a shirt in this color. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is pretty. Wow. Like the case. Oh, cool. Wow. That's the stuff. This is also from Sephora. This is the Midnight Kiss Lip Stories. That's cute. I like. They're a lipstick set. Wow. And look at these colors. Like, I mean, the covers, little marshmallows and hearts, like starry night scenes. There's a sled. That's precious. And then, of course, like whatever the color of the actual lipstick is up here and down here. Let's check out, let's see. Let's check out the red color, just for fun. Just for funsies, you know. Wow. That is beautiful. What do we have here? I went to Sephora not too long ago, maybe about a week or so ago, and I was kind of like, I'm looking for a new scent. So I was in there sniffing stuff, and I didn't make a final decision just because I felt a little bit rushed, but I need to go back so that I can pick out another scent. Okay, this is cool. What do we have here? Midnight Skin Surprise, another Sephora collection product. It looks like this. What are you? How do we get in? Oh, a hand cream. Gotta love that. It's almond. So it looks like this. We have pineapple nose mask. Oh, nose pores. Am I right? Looks like this. Really gotta give that a whirl. We have cucumber eye masks. Oh, I wanted some of these. Cucumber eye masks and a coconut face mask. Have you guys tried the Sephora masks? I've tried a couple. Gotta say, I really like them. Okay, this one, is the doozy. Okay, lovers, we got a lot of stuff in this box. Starting with, first of all, leave a comment below if you're obsessed with the Sephora holiday collections, because I am. Like, this is the way to market to me, you know? This is how you get me involved. If you want me involved, here's how. Wow, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's the Bum Bum Carnival Extravaganza. So you know, if you've been following me for any amount of time, that I'm obsessed with Sol Yenario, the Bum Bum Cream people. The Bum Bum Cream lotion is the best smelling scent of my life. It's not a perfume. It's very like coconut summer, beautiful girl, tan skin. She's got a glow. She's bronze. You know what I'm saying? So there is the mist, the shower gel, the Bum Bum Cream, and the hand cream. I'm set. Right. What else do we have? We have, oh, from Laneige. Remember when I couldn't say that right? Now I can. I think I'm fancy, you know? This is a water sleeping mask, and well, this is the Sleep and Glow set, okay? So it looks like this. And inside, the products have turned around, so I'm gonna try to get her open to see. But I see a sleep mask. And what else do we have? We've got a sleep mask and the lip sleeping mask. Lip masks are important. Do you guys use lip masks or some sort of like scrub, something you make at home in your kitchen, something you bought from Sephora, whatever the case may be? But the wintertime drying lip thing is real. So I love a good lip scrub, and lip masks are even great too. And then we also have a moisture cream. So this is like just a small moisturizer. And then the water sleeping masks look like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is not over dramatized. I'm just taking the bubble wrap off. Clutch your pearls, okay? Clutch them. You hear me? You clutching? I have never tried, well, I've never owned, because I've tried it and it's magic. I've never owned anything from this brand, and I've wanted to, but she's a bit pricey. So if you're going to splurge, this is like I'm buying it for me, or tell your partner like, yo, this is on my list, you need to hook this up. But wow, there is a Dyson Supersonic blow dryer with Way products. Way is so good for like textured hair, curly hair, wavy hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have the Dyson Supersonic. It is the ultimate hair dryer. And this one's kind of a small one, so I feel like this is a good travel size one. We're gonna open this box up. And then a limited edition gift set also in there. So you have the Dyson Supersonic, it's the hair dryer. Okay, then you also have the Way texturizing spray. You have the Way memory mist. I really like that. Like when I have my natural curls, which are similar to this, but not as like, I don't know, not as round. And that memory mist will rejudge your hair on the next, like that second day hair. It's so good. And then the Way's Rose Hair and Body Oil. We love a good oil. And then the Way leave-in conditioner. So, and I really like leave-in conditioner because it's another kind of like revitalize your hair. We're just gonna open this box up. Sephora, thank you. You did your girl very well. Very kind and very generous. This is the Way kit. She's looking beautiful. First of all, their packaging is so gorgeous. It's so pretty to me. It's simple, it's fresh, it's fashion. I love it. Leave-in conditioner looks like this. This is the Rose Body and Hair Oil, okay? We have the texture spray. It's kind of an aerosol, so it's an easy like, you know, add a little vibe, especially if you have kind of like more wavy or fine hair. This is great. But I like this texture spray for my natural hair because like when I just want to, I'm not looking for perfect curls, I want to just kind of amp her up and make her more of a fro. She's a good look. And then the memory mist, which I really like, also looks like this. So these are the Way products. There she is. Hello, Supersonic. Fast drying, thermal guards against extreme heat damage. We love. Engineered for balance, smooth, controlled styling. So I've had my hair blown out. The salons that I go to just aren't like usually the crazy fanciest. So I haven't had my hair done with the Dyson at those places, but I've had it done on set. So like when I've had my hair done by like a magazine or for a fashion shoot or something like that, I've had my hair blown from curly to straight with this dryer, and let me tell you something, okay? She is gentle but ferocious. Like she can really get my hair so smooth and straight, but I don't feel like my hair has been burned to a crisp, which is important to me. How do we get in here? So when it's just in its natural state, the dryer just, I mean, the volume is luxurious. Oh, the diffuser. Like, do you see what's happening here? Here are all the pieces. My life has been made. I'm so happy to have this dryer. There's like a straightening joint, a fluffer joint, a diffuser, the actual tool, the blow dryer, and then a hello, you know, hi, how you doing? Welcome to the Dyson life. Welcome to the fam. So excited. I mean, wow, you guys, like that was one heck of a PR gifting. Thank you so much, Sephora. This video is not sponsored. They just sent me this stuff and I'm happy to open it and share some of the info with you guys. Their holiday collections are available, you know, now. I'm actually still on the hunt for that stinking Caudalie serum joint. I bought the serum actually because I got the tester in from Sephora. I got like the small one and it is magical. So one of you on my IG, I said this in another video, told me to go in and get the kit. She got it. She was like, Kel, get this kit. And so I went to go get it and they didn't have it. They were sold out. So I'm hoping that I can go find it. I'm going to be going to Sephora to get all my kits and all my stuff. A lot of my family members usually give me Sephora cards for Christmas because I have so much stuff that like I usually just like to get my favorites, or if I tried something from PR and I want like the full size, I don't really like to get like gifts and clothes and that much stuff. Just kind of like refresh my beauty routine usually. So you know, that's always a fun thing to do. There are so many palettes and so many skincare, can't talk, too excited. Dyson got me hype. So many products, so many skincare sets and palettes and all that. So let me know what you try. What are you obsessed with? Because also I want to try some new stuff too. If you haven't noticed, I've amped up my fall makeup, my summer kind of like tinted moisturizer and brow thing. I'm over it, not over it, but now that it's not 700 degrees with 700% humidity, I'm having a little bit more fun with makeup. So having fun with eyeshadow palettes. I want to do a Born to Run kind of like, I don't know, show you a couple looks because I've been using that palette non-stop. I know the cherry one from Urban Decay is new and that's also available at Sephora and other places, but the Born to Run I have been living for, and all of the compliments you guys have given me on like Instagram and anytime you see like my makeup, I really have been using that palette. There's like purples, greens, oranges, and then neutrals. So today I did neutral with like a copper lid and she's cute if I do say so myself. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with that and I would love to do a fun kind of get ready with me, especially for y'all with hooded eyes, because that's what turned me off to like eyeshadow in the first place. I just felt like it wasn't for me because of my eye shape. My eyes are hooded naturally and I just didn't really know what to do, but now I'm figuring it out. So if you want some more kind of like ideas or tips or tricks or anything like that, let me know in the comments below and I will do that. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was really fun. My living room is a total mess now, but it was good fun. You'll see some of these things pop up in the Christmas and holiday time giveaways. I will always save a few things for you guys and then just kind of collect them and just do one big mailing every now and then. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.